the original Ryan HECA.
One thing is that I'm hurt because
Here's their new one.
another thing is